Happy birthday, Mr.
Мишаня! Давай затаримся.
Darling, you got to let me know. Should I stay or should I go? Hey, you say that you are mine. I'll be here till the end of time. So you got to let me know. Should I stay or should I go? It's always tease, tease, tease. You're happy when I'm on my knees. One day is fine, the next is black. So if you want me off your back, well, come on and let me know. This indecision's bugging me. You don't want me, set me free. Exactly who I'm supposed to be. Don't you know which clothes even fit me? So come on and let me know. Should I cool it or should I blow? Should I stay or should I go now? Should I stay or should I go now? If I go there will be trouble, and if I stay it will be double. So you got to let